So let's discuss about some of the strengths and weakness of V-shaped model. Okay, it is simple and easy to use. Testing activities like planning, test design happens well before coding. It saves a lot of time, hence higher chance of success over the waterfall model. That's true. Proactive defect tracking, that is, defects are found at early stage, avoids the downward flow of the defects, works well for small project where requirements are easily understood. So here, so what they mean is proactive defect tracking, that is defects are found at early stage, is nothing but if you see the waterfall model, sorry, if you see the V-shaped model, okay, so for every development activity we do the testing parallelly. Okay, so what we can do is we can also so for everything we'll be looking into the requirements, right? So when you want to write the system test cases, you will be looking into the requirements. When you want to do a integration testing, you will be looking into the requirements, as well as you'll be also looking into the, for the integration testing, what we do, we'll be looking into the architecture design. Okay, if there is any flaws in, if there is any issues in if there are any issues in design document or the requirements, we'll be letting them know immediately, right? So let's say if there are, if they are doing module level module design, okay, so before you write before you start writing unit testing, you'll be looking into the module level design, as well as you will be also looking into the requirements. So you'll see, based on the requirements, is this module design is done or not. That is one thing you'll be verifying it. Okay, so as per the requirements, so it is module design is developed. And while writing test cases, while understanding this module design, if you have any flaws, if you feel any flaws are there, any issues are there, you will be reporting them. So that is nothing but proactive defect tracking. Okay, so you don't need to wait until you start testing it. Okay, while preparing the test cases itself, you can come to know, so if there are any flaws in the design level. Okay, that's about proactive defect tracking. And weakness of V model, does not easily handle, sorry, does not easily handle concurrent events, does not handle iterations or phases, does not easily handle dynamic changes in the requirements. If any changes happens in midway, then the test documents along with the requirements document has to be updated. Okay, so but the major problem in the waterfall model still persists here also. For example, if any changes happen the requirements in the middle of the way, for example, I am preparing the unit testing design, a tester design for unit testing I'm doing. At this moment the requirements got changed. Okay, so let's say a new requirement got added or existing requirement got modified. Even here you require to change the design documents. You have to add the new requirements or modify the existing requirements, and you have to do the system redesign of system design, redesign of architecture design, and redesign of module design. At the same time, redesign of all your test cases which are written for acceptance testing, system testing, integration testing, unit testing. You have to redesign. Okay, maybe. Okay, so if the requirement is severely modified, you require to redesign everything. Okay, but the major problem, the waterfall model, that we are unable to solve here also. But one thing what we do is, for as per the development activities, we also do the, we also start testing activities. Okay, once they start coding, we'll do unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing once their coding is completed. Okay, that means, so that's about the V-shaped model weakness. Okay, and it doesn't also have iterations. What is iterations, we'll come to know. And does not easily handle concurrent events. Okay, so that's about V-shaped weakness.